Ito, this is a good topic, so sagutin natin ito for everyone who's trying to lose weight. Sir, what can you say of those influencers na nag-lose ng 20 kilograms in 2 months using diabetic injections? Should they actually be influencing? Okay, this is a good question dahil mahal ko kayo, sasagutin natin ito para hindi kayo malos. Pero before yan, syempre mahal din natin ang ating bashers. So dahil Halloween ngayon at araw ng mga patay, magbigay tanaw tayo sa ating mga bashers. Okay. Happy Halloween, everyone! Okay, ito lagi nyo napapanood yung mga mabilisang transformations. Maganda ang result sa video, however, you have to know kung ano bang nangyari behind those videos na pinopost nila about their results. Number 1, the safe and sustainable rate of weight loss or pagbaba ng inyong mga timbang is around 0.5 up to 1 kilogram or that's 1 to 2 pounds per week, not 10 kilograms per month. Gradual loss ng inyong weight means higher chance of maintaining your muscle while losing weight or cutting down on your fat. As we all know that muscle is very important. Number 2, merong mga gamot na ganyan. GLP-1, drugs like semaglutide. Yang mga gamot na yan ay ginagamit medically. Those medication are prescribed to obese people, mga meron diabetes. Of course, this medication has to be prescribed by a licensed doctor or physician. There are side effects to these medications, gastrointestinal symptoms, nausea, and other adverse reactions ng ating katawan. Tandaan nyo, iba-iba tayo ng katawan, iba-iba tayo ng reaction sa gamot. Merong mga nabebentang peke niyan online. Number 3, sobrang bilis ng pagbaba ng timbang mo. That is too good to be true. Expect na meron niyang risk. Some of the risk may include gallstones, nutrient deficiency, magkukulang ka sa vitamins and minerals, of course, electrolyte imbalances or dehydration. Meron din niyang mga psychological effects. So do not normalize yung mga ganyang instant fix na nag-lose ka ng 20 kg, 30 kg, 40 kg in 1 month. Remember, ang goal natin sumeksi, hindi humabol sa araw ng mga patay. This is a message kung ikaw ay influencer at ginagamit mo ang iyong platform para mag-promote ng mga ganyang klaseng gamot or ganyang klaseng pamamaraan ng pagpayat. You have to be transparent. Sabihin mo sa kanila if you have a doctor, you have follow-up lab test, are you being monitored by a licensed physician or a professional. Kung ikaw naman ay nakafollow sa mga ganyang influencer, huwag basta-basta mag-try or maniwala agad-agad. Lalo na if your doctor did not prescribe any of the medication na kanilang pinopromote. Again, be careful sa mga ganyan. Sometimes yung mga ganong too good to be true is very unrealistic and very risky. Guys, ang goal natin sumeksi, hindi mategi. Okay, magbigay na ulit tayo sa ating mga bashers. Okay, maraming salamat. Happy Halloween. I hope this helps.